there, it's Ming Ming.
And I'm Barry.
Welcome to Ming Ming's Art Club. We're so excited you're here today.
Oh, look! It's snowing outside.
You're right, it is. Barry, do you want to go build a snowman outside?
Well, I'd love to, except it looks really cold. And I'd rather stay here where it's nice and warm.
I know what you mean. It can get pretty cold outside. How about we build a snowman indoors with markers and crayons?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's go! With a black marker, I'll start creating a curved line towards the top of the page. But don't go too high up. We're gonna leave some room for the snowman's hat. Now for his face, I'm drawing a half circle, making sure it touches that first line. Now, I'm going to create 2 short lines on both sides. And then connect those 2 lines with 1 long curvy line. Now, I'm going to add in the rest of the hat. So a crease over there, and finishing that off with a pom-pom at the end. Alright, our hat is done. Now for the eyes. I'm just doing 2 black dots for charcoal eyes, so the snowman can see. Now, I'm making a carrot nose so the snowman can smell. And now I'm adding a big grin so the snowman can smile and also eat. But I wonder what a snowman eats. Now, I'm gonna start making the scarf. 2 lines on both sides to start, and connecting those 2 lines with 1 long curvy line. Now draw 2 lines going down, then connect it. And 1 more scarf piece underneath. Our scarf is done. Now our snowman will stay warm. Now, for the middle of the body, I'm going to make a half circle all the way around and touching the bottom of that scarf. Same thing for the bottom of the body. I'm just gonna go all the way around. Your circles don't have to be perfect. Mine aren't, and that's totally okay. Now, we're gonna start adding in branch arms, because he needs some arms to grab things, right? So I'm just drawing a long stick and adding a little nub at the end for a branch finger. Alright, now I'm moving on to the buttons. Just draw 3 circles. Perfect! I think our drawing is done now. Grab your crayons because we're gonna start coloring! First, I'll be coloring in the snowman's hat with a blue crayon. I really like this shade of blue. It reminds me of the winter. Alright, the hat is done. Well, not quite yet. I'll come back to it later. Now, I'm working on the scarf. I chose a purple color because I think it goes well with the blue. I'm just doing the edges first and then filling it in. I find it easier to work that way. And don't forget the hanging parts of the scarf. Whew. Okay, that scarf is done. And now I'm back on the hat again. I chose a green color here. I think green, blue, and purple works really well together. Can't forget that pom-pom. And of course, orange for our carrot nose. I'm going to take the green I used for the hat for the buttons. Alright, I think the drawing is done. For the finishing touch, let's add our name. And we're done! I am so excited about this drawing. This may be my favorite drawing so far. What do you think, Barry?
It turned out beautiful! I love the colors you used.
Thank you, Barry. I love the colors too. Maybe when it gets a little bit warmer tomorrow, we'll make a real snowman. Well, it was so great hanging out with you all. I hope you have a great day, and until next time,
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!